मुंबई के गोरेगांव क्षेत्र में स्थित बॉम्बे एग्जीबिशन सेंटर में 21 से 24 अगस्त तक ताइवान एक्सीलेंस की प्रदर्शनी ऑटोमेशन एक्सपो 2024 ने आम जनता का ध्यान फिर से अपनी तरफ आकर्षित किया है। इस वर्ष ताइवान एक्सीलेंस के पवेलियन में मशीनरी, ऑटोमेशन, इक्विपमेंट एंड कंपोनेंट्स, इंडस्ट्रियल पीसी और आईओटी डिवाइसेस के क्षेत्र में, फैक्ट्री ऑटोमेशन के क्षेत्र में आधुनिक प्रोडक्ट्स की प्रस्तुति यहां पर भव्य रूप से की गई है। इस मौके पर उपस्थित गणमान्य लोगों ने प्रदर्शनी को लेकर के और क्या कुछ कहा है, आइए आपको हम सुनाते हैं।
Now you can see the whole and a lot of industry semiconductors is now promoting their robots, and right now this is a trend. And also I think in futures semiconductor industry will come into the India, and I think this also is a big trend in the India. So we will focus on the semiconductor industry in the future, and because we are very strong in Haimin is very strong at the semiconductor industry in Taiwan. Yes.
What is the growth that is happening from the previous years? That is
So sales
business, the growth of business from Taiwan
okay.
over the years.
For Haimin ourselves,
Yes.
the growth in India is like around 20 to 30%. Because India, the whole market is growing, so I think everyone in export to India is growing. Yes, and it's growing very fast.
Any plans of manufacturing in India? Any Taiwanese companies are coming and setting up base to manufacture their products in India?
You mean
The Taiwanese companies, any Taiwanese companies are coming in India to set up their base for serving the Indian population as well as exports.
I'm not sure another company, but Highwind we are only manufacturing in Taiwan, and we have a lot of dealers in India. So because all of the world, they can get Highwind products with made in Taiwan, and we can control the quality and the same products in all of the world. So Highwind can get the same standard with like in Europe, in US. So Highwind can get India customer can get the Highwind product in the same with the same standard. Yeah.
Okay, myself Gaurav Chaudhary. I'm representing Ireland India. I am working as a key account in this development as a entrepreneur. Total year of experience about 14 years. My side.
Which is the major product in focus that you are trying to promote in this project of exhibition?
As far as product is concerned, now we are known as a PC manufacturer in the same PC manufacturing. Last 14 years, I've been taking into manufacturing the same PC, parallel PC, and networking, so into the wireless communication.
And I had people India business. We have a manufacturing plant where we produce electronic power supplies, and we are a standard percentage manufacturing company. We have wide range of product solutions. Let's say from 0.5 watts to 365 kilowatts, we have lots and lots of product solutions to cater to standard power conversion demand. Yes, and we are actually a Taiwanese-based company, but we have investments here in India as well, and we are focusing to grow more and more in India.
What is the major product that you are looking at as a focus product this year, this time today at Taiwan Expo?
See, today I would say as on date, telecom as well as solar energy conversion is a big thing happening here in India as well as all over the world. So we have a range of products to suit those requirements. Let's say 5G, we have solutions for telecom applications, and as well as for solar industry, we have lots of DC converters where it's already very popular.
Actually, I am Raghavendra Naik. I am the director for Fintech Technology India Private Limited. As I mentioned in the presentation, we are just born. And it is 2023 November, we introduced Fintech India. So, just to facilitate our machine as well as automation market. So, as you know, India is very growing company and very promising. So, we need to develop what product I have, what product they have. I don't want to differentiate because both are at a good stage in the performance. At the end of the day, there will be some of the unique functions. Like if I give some of the warranty extra, if I give some of the performance extra, that matters a lot. As I mentioned in the presentation, so we give a complete turnkey solution. Customers need not to go different vendors. So we give a complete solution.
So hi, my name is Vishal Khatugar. I'm the founder and director for Blue Box Communication Private Limited. We are a Pune-based company and we are the authorized channel partners for Planet Technology Corporation in India. So we have been working with Planet since over a decade now. It is a company into industrial networking, majorly offering industrial networking solutions such as LAN switches, fiber optic solutions, industrial Ethernet switches, industrial PO Ethernet switches, and industrial IoT gateways. So with all these products, we are trying to build networking solutions and offering it to the various different sectors or industries, majorly catering towards factory automation, transportation, smart city applications.
Who are your major buyers?
In terms of the sector, so we are our major buyers in terms of customers are Siemens, or major buyers are from the smart city applications. So we have sold to metros, then surveillance applications in cement plants, steel plants, even in hydro plants.